Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to fix when you're unable to update this update that is KB5008353 on your Windows 11 computer. So when you click on download or install, if it's not downloading, if it's stuck, or if you're receiving any kind of error message, then please follow the steps shown in this video. Now the first step is to run update troubleshooter. For this, go to the start menu and then click on settings. Now go to system. Scroll down here, you can see troubleshoot options. Click on troubleshoot. Click on other troubleshooters. Now here you can see Windows update. Click on run. And once the troubleshoot is complete, restart your computer and then try to update your Windows 11 once again. Now the next step is to use Windows 11 installation assistant. For this, copy this link. The link is provided in the video description. Open this link in a browser. It will take you to Microsoft website. Here you can see Windows 11 installation assistant. Click on download now and then run this exe file. Click on yes to allow. Now this will load Windows 11 installation assistant. Here you can see the option which says accept and install. Now in case Windows 11 installation assistant is not coming up, it's not loading, it's not opening, then in that case go to the download location. So click on show in folder. Now over here you can see Windows 11 installation assistant. Make a right click and then select properties. Now go to the compatibility tab and then put a check on the box which says run this program in compatibility mode for, and select Windows 7 from the list and then click on apply, click on OK. Now make a double click on assistant and it should load, and go ahead and click on accept and install. Now the next step is to reset Windows update components. For this, copy all these commands. These commands are provided in the video description. So copy the command till here. Open Notepad on your computer. So type in Notepad in Windows search box, then open Notepad, paste all the commands over here. And then go to File, then click on Save As, and then name this file as wuauserv.bat. For Save As type, select all files. You can save it to desktop. Now click on Save. Close the Notepad. Now go to desktop. Here you can see wuauserv file. So make a right click on wuauserv file and then click on Run as Administrator. Make sure that you're opening wuauserv file as an administrator. Now click on Yes to allow. Now this will open command prompt. Now first of all, it will stop all the Windows update services. After this, it will run some scans. Now during the scan, it will take time because there are a couple of scans which will run, and after that, it will restart all the Windows update services. Now once the process is complete, restart your computer and then try to update your Windows 11 once again. Now the last step is to use media creation tool. So if nothing is working, you can copy this link. The link is provided in the video description. Open this link in a browser. Again, it will take you to Microsoft website. Here you can see media creation tool. Click on download now and then run this exe file. Then you will see the screen. Click on accept, and by default Windows 11 would be selected. Click on next. Select ISO file, then click on next and save it to desktop. So select the location as desktop and click on save over here. Now once the download is complete, go to desktop, make a double click on Windows ISO file. Now here you can see setup file. Make a double click on setup file. Click on yes to allow. This will load Windows 11. And here you can see install Windows 11. Click on next. It will check for update. Then click on accept. Again, it will check for update. Now this process will take some time. Now before the installation, you will see the screen which says ready to install. And by default, the option to keep personal files and app would be checked. When this is checked, you will not lose any data on the computer. Click on install. After the installation, log into your computer and your Windows should be up to date. And you should be able to install this particular update on your computer. So that'll be all. Thank you so much for your time, and please like this video and subscribe to my channel.